In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to match colors using Photoshop's Match Color tool. First, open your main image in Photoshop. Then go to File, Place Embedded, and choose the reference image. Resize or minimize the reference image so you can clearly see the color changes later. Next, select the background layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, Match Color. In the dialog box that appears, set the source to the document you're working on. In this example, it's main image. For layer, choose the reference image layer. You should now see the colors match instantly. You can also fine-tune the result using the Luminance slider, which adjusts how light or dark the matched image becomes. The Fade slider controls how strong the match color effect is. Drag it higher to reduce the effect or lower to make the effect stronger. Once you're happy with the result, click OK. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.